Am I the only one that didn't know what 0xc0000906 meant? Turns out it's way more common than you'd think. Let's squash it for good. The 0xc0000906 error loves to crash your favorite apps and games, usually because of missing or corrupted files or overprotective antivirus software. But don't worry, here's how to tackle it. First, run a system file check. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Then enter dism.x/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth, followed by sfc/scanow. Restart your PC after each scan. Still stuck? Try disabling your antivirus temporarily and see if the app starts. If yes, add an exception for the app. Next up, right-click your app and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes it's that easy. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. And don't forget to check for Windows updates and driver updates too. Remember, even Windows gets grumpy sometimes. Stay patient, keep trying, and that app will be running in no